Hey YouTube, today I'll be unboxing my, new Moose Blank, skateboard deck. So, hold on, let me get, pocket knife. So, yeah. And by the way, I bought a new camera, so I'll be making new videos on this channel and my original channel, which is Rhinell989. Okay, so yeah, so here's the deck. Yep, it's dipped white. It's 8 inches. And yes, it does come with grip tape, so you don't have to ask, why is there no grip tape? Yeah, because, well, there is grip tape. And all I have to do is install the grip tape. And a bunch of crap. So, yeah. Yeah. So there it is. My Moose Blank dipped white deck. So yeah, check out Rhinell989. It'll be in the description. So yeah, bye.